Imagine if your organization could remember everything, every process, every decision, every risk. Well, you can with CloseReach and QualiWare. Trusted by over 1 million users across more than 30 countries, QualiWare connects different aspects of your business through a single, easy-to-use solution. QualiWare brings everything your organization needs into one platform. Its no-code approach makes it simple to visualize key business processes. With over 30 pre-built dashboards, QualiWare delivers exactly what your organization requires. Need a blueprint for strategic alignment? The Strategy desktop has everything you need, whether that's tracking your organization's performance against key performance indicators, checking the current investment portfolio, or visualizing key financial, customer, process, and innovation metrics on the balanced scorecard. And if you want to view your change initiatives, the platform has that for you as well. This pivot table shows all your projects at a glance. Timelines, teams, processes, and roadmap position, all in one place. You can even simulate customer roadmaps or onboard new employees with QualiWare's built-in customer journey maps. The interactive journey walkthrough feature lets you see every step, touch point, and interaction, making complex journeys easy to understand and visualize. And of course, you can customize these walkthroughs to show exactly what matters most. With the Strategy desktop, you're equipped with all the tools needed to expand your organization. Looking to cut costs and optimize your application portfolio? Use QualiWare's built-in desktop to manage all things application. With just a glance, you can visualize your full application landscape with out-of-the-box tools specific to the selected diagram. You can run time analysis to decide which applications to eliminate, invest, tolerate, or migrate, and use lifecycle views to track each system from adoption to retirement for smarter planning. Assess risk and technical debt to be on top of your applications. Here, your risks are color-coded based on the significance and likelihood of occurring. And when you've checked all that, use the built-in Gantt chart to track key dates, transitions, and roadmap your portfolio over time. Compliance isn't optional. QualiWare's compliance and risk management desktops help you stay ahead by tracking audits, managing non-conformances, and visualizing risk in real time. Raise non-conformances and track audits on the compliance desktop. All your non-conformances are in one centralized location for you to review. See which state they are in alongside the processes being affected. Meanwhile, the audit table helps you stay on top of your audits, with everything you need to stay certified. Back on the compliance desktop, stay up to date with your organization statuses with real-time pie charts that give you a snapshot of audit progress, non-conformances, corrective actions, and more. Meanwhile, on the risk management desktop, find where your organization can mitigate risk. On here, your risk heat maps have all the risks that affect your organization, color-coded to make things easy for you to prioritize. The desktop also provides you with graphs dynamically updated based on real-time data. Risks impact processes, applications, information, and your overall organization. Stay on top of risk in real time with the Risk Management Desktop. Connect the dots in your organization with the Enterprise Architecture Desktop, your central hub for managing processes, applications, and technology models in one place. Start with the Zachman framework to capture every perspective of your organization, mapping stakeholders, processes, data, and technology from both business and technical viewpoints. Then use TOGAF to structure and govern your architecture at a strategic level. For clear, standardized visual models, switch to the ArchiMate framework, ensuring your designs are consistent, comprehensive, and aligned with business goals. Bringing every framework together in one powerful view, the Enterprise Architecture Desktop turns complexity into clarity, so you can drive alignment, efficiency, and innovation across your organization. The Process Management Desktop helps you keep important corporate knowledge in one place, so nothing gets lost over time. First, you can explore the high-level overview of your business processes in one diagram by clicking on the top process diagram. Then, establish the current situation and assess your processes with built-in tools in the Evaluate Business Processes column. Check on process risks to see which risks affect the processes that matter to you most. Then, track how each part of your processes is performing to stay on course toward your performance targets and goals. Next, view the statuses of the current processes with dynamically updated pie charts to understand process status and approval stages. Additionally, manage and implement business processes with guided tools in the Design and Implement Business Process section. Here, you can plan changes and edit process definitions to ensure continuous improvement across your organization. Let's say your organization already has processes, but needs to digitalize them to increase visibility and interactiveness. You can easily import them from a CSV file and map them out, or create a business process diagram from scratch. When you choose to create a diagram, QualiWare's interactive, user-friendly web modeler opens up. With drag-and-drop functionality, your team can quickly document processes with minimal training required. And since QualiWare is a meta-model-driven tool, objects can be reused, minimizing clutter, while keeping your repository clean and organized. QualiWare enforces the correct syntaxes, making it easy for anyone to use. It doesn't end there, though. QualiWare lets you go beyond static diagrams. With over 50 built-in analysis functions, you can evaluate risks to identify gaps. From there, you can view relationships, whether that's 2D or 3D. The drag-and-drop 2D visualizer lets you understand the context of the process. The dashboard even lets you track compliance and generate comprehensive reports. Then send them directly to anyone who needs all the details in one document. And because governance is built in, every process has assigned owners and responsibilities. Whenever changes are made, QualiWare automatically notifies the right people, ensuring accountability, traceability, and real-time collaboration. QualiWare doesn't replace the tools you rely on. It connects to them. You can embed familiar platforms like Power BI directly into your dashboards, bringing live metrics into your architecture and governance views. And with built-in support for integrations like Azure DevOps, QualiWare can exchange data through secure APIs, automatically syncing requirements, change requests, and more. It's a flexible, intelligent way to keep your systems aligned and your teams informed. Users can work in any language across the entire platform, including English and French. That includes diagrams, object descriptions, dashboards, and even interface labels, all fully multilingual and centrally managed. And with role-based desktops, each user sees exactly what's relevant to them. Executives, architects, analysts, or compliance leads, everyone gets a focused view tailored to their responsibilities. Ready to see it in action? Book a guided tour or request sandbox access and experience it for yourself. Contact us at CloseReach, QualiWare's North American vendor. Take control of your organization today. With CloseReach and QualiWare,